In 2005, 19.1% of all murder victims were between the ages of 20 and 24 years old. Also, in 2005, 16.6% of all murder victims were 20 to 24-year-old males. What is the probability that a randomly selected murder victim in 2005 was male, given that the victim is 20 to 24 years old? We have the word given in the probability that we are trying to compute, so that means we will be computing a conditional probability. The event after the word given is the given event, and this will be event E. Event E is that the victim is 20 to 24 years old. Now let's determine the other event. This will be event F. And event F is that the victim is male. So we want to compute the probability that the victim was a male given that they were 20 to 24 years old. And we can compute this by using the following formula. We are given percentages in the problem that we can easily convert to probabilities, so we will use the first form of the formula. So we want the probability that the victim is a male given that they're 20 to 24 years old. So first we need to find the probability that the victim is 20 to 24 years old and male. And we need to divide this by the probability that the person is 20 to 24 years old. In the problem, we are told that 16.6% of all murder victims were 20 to 24-year-old males. And we can convert this percentage into a probability, which will be 0.166. Now we need to find the probability that the victim was 20 to 24 years old. The problem tells us that 19.1% of all murder victims were between the ages of 20 and 24 years old, and we can convert this percentage into a decimal, and we will get 0.191. Now put this in your calculator and round to 3 decimal places, and you should get approximately 0.869. And this is the probability that a randomly selected murder victim in 2005 was male, given that the victim is 20 to 24 years old.